Okay, let's practice subtracting two numbers that are multiples of 10. I love doing these because I get to practice basic facts when I do subtraction like this. Watch what I mean. So the first problem I have, 50 minus 20. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to look at what's not zero. So I have 5 and 2. So what is 5 minus 2? It's 3. And how about now we can do the other one? What's 0 minus 0? 0. So 50 minus 20 equals 30. Okay, let's try this one. 20 minus 10. My basic fact is 2 minus 1, which equals what? 2 minus 1 is 1. And I just bring over that 0 because 0 minus 0 equals 0. So 20 minus 10 equals 10. Now you might be able just to look at it and say, hey, I know this. This is the answer. The difference is, and you can do it. But if not, this is a way for you to figure out problems where you might be having a little bit of a challenge. There's nothing wrong with having a challenging problem sometimes. Okay, let's try this one. 40 minus 20. My basic fact is 4 minus 2, which equals 2. I bring over that 0. There we go. So 40 minus 20 equals 20. Okay, let's practice again. And I'm going to do it a slightly different way. This time I'm going to do the ones place first. Because typically when we subtract, we start in the ones place. So 0 minus 0 equals 0. And now let's do the basic fact. 4 minus 2 is 2. I still get 20. 40 minus 20 equals 20. Next one, 50 minus 20. Okay, let's start with our zeros. 0 minus 0 is 0. And then I do 5 minus 2 is 3. So 50 minus 20 equals 30. Next one, 50 minus 10. All right. And you notice how I'm using my scratch pad. I'm marking up the problem. That is good to do, especially because it helps you if you need to go back and check what you've done. Your work is there to show you what you've done. It helps you check your work. So if you make a mistake, your work is there to say, hey, this is where you made a mistake. Okay, so I'm going to start with my 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. And now I do 5 minus 1, which is 40. So 50 minus 10 equals 40. Let's do the next one. 30 minus 20. Okay, we start with our zeros. 0 minus 0 is 0. Then I do 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2? 1. So 30 minus 20 equals 10. Now I could use a hundreds chart and start at the number and count back that many. But listen, you're not always going to have a hundreds chart with you. So this is why this strategy is great. And the more you practice it, the more automatic it will become. You won't need to think place by place. You'll just know. All right, 50 minus 10. 0 in the ones place because 0 minus 0 equals 0. And then I do my basic fact. 5 minus 1 equals 4. So 50 minus 10 equals 40. Next one, 30 minus 20. Okay, I know 0 minus 0 is 0. What's my basic fact? 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So 30 minus 20 equals 10. All right, let's do one more. 50 minus 30. All right, what do I do first? My zeros. 0 minus 0 is 0. There's my ones place. And then what's my basic fact? 5 minus 3 equals 2. So 50 minus 30 equals 20. You did an amazing job with this today. I'm so proud of you.